Welcome to Walt Disney World. It is May 10th, 2024. I was not expecting to be here today. As you saw in my last video, which I will put up there, I said I wasn't going to be back here till June. And I wasn't until my brother called and said, hey, I made last minute reservations for the Contemporary Resort. Put your name on the reservation too. You want to come? I'm like, yeah. So join me on this adventure. So I last stayed here in 1973. It was my very first trip to Disney World, and I don't even know when this hotel had probably just opened. I'll find that out. But the park opened in 1972, and that building over there wasn't even built yet. That's the Bay Tower. This is the main building. That's where I'm staying tonight, on the 11th floor, I believe. And it is the floor that is just below the very top floor. And I'm very excited. Now, I've heard they've rethemed these rooms. So of course it's not gonna look anything like it did back in the 70s, but I am going to take you along, and this is super exciting for me. One of the benefits of this hotel is that the monorail goes right through the building. So you can see on my wrist, I forgot my magic band. I have like 10 of them, totally forgot. So I do have to go to check-in to get a card to be able to open the room because it is not working on my phone. Wow. It smells exactly the way it did back in the 1970s. How funny is that? Let's look at my view before I go to my room. Wow. Chef Mickey's. I think that's where I have breakfast in the morning, not sure. There's the other side. There's the monorail platform right here. I'm so excited. Okay, here we go. All right, I ended up using my own phone to get in because otherwise it'll take a long time. But I figured it out, finally. All right, so here you go. As I'm walking in, let's do the major walk-in first. It still has the contemporary feel. I love the couch. This is an incredible room. So they did a little bit. There's the masks and the bed with the pillows. And they have the Mickey towels, of course. I only hope that we don't lose sight of one thing, that it was all started by a mouse. Very cute. And I love the table too, look at that. We also have an amazing view. Look at that view. So from here, I could see the Grand Floridian. Then there is the Polynesian, where I will be going shortly. Then over here is the Magic Kingdom. There's the castle. There is Space Mountain. So I don't know if I'll be here for the fireworks, but I will be able to watch it from my balcony. And out here, there are chairs, a table, another chair. So you can absolutely sit out here and watch the fireworks. Oh, it's so good. I'm gonna take a still shot because this is so pretty. And here is a monorail going by. You can hear the train too from the Magic Kingdom. Oh, it's nice to see they've got a little shelf here that I can put all my cell phone and my iPad and everything tonight. And there's USB and regular. That's really good to know. And I'm sure, let's see, the other side has it as well. The middle definitely does. I like that I'm having it on my right side of my bed. I always take the right bed. And then on this bed, I believe, yep, they also have outlets here. That's great. They also have reading lights. I love these things. You want to read? Woo, that's cool. Okay, so over here, we have like a little coffee station, an ice bucket. We have all the coffees in here. Ooh, they've got the Magic Kingdom kind, and it's a Keurig. I'll have to get some water. Unless they gave us waters, I don't know if they did. There's our empty refrigerator, so I'm gonna have to go get water for the coffee. And this is safe, some storage. So if you're staying here for a period of time with your family, there's a lot of room. There's drawers in here. And then I'm guessing this is another hanging closet with more drawers, hangers, a hair dryer's up here, a steamer, wow. And yeah, you've got like a luggage rack in there. I'll probably use that table as my luggage rack. And then this is a barn door. Disney's very big on barn doors. And this is your restroom. So we've got double sinks. Hey. This is a bathtub and shower. Oh, it's a nice deep tub too. Wow. I may be taking a bath later. And they have, you know what I miss? I miss when they would give you the little things like I showed you in my last video. I'll put that up there where they give you the bath and the stuff for the bathtub and the soap and the conditioner and little samples for you to take home. But they save money by not doing that. So they've got the rain head and then the handheld. And then your toilet area is separate with its own door. Look at the artwork there. Very, very cool. All right, next up is heading down to the monorail and heading over to the Polynesian and finding a bottle of water. All right, you have to go to the 4th floor to get to the escalator to get up to level. All right, now we take this up to the monorail platform. And there is the monorail. Perfect timing. That was perfect timing. So this monorail is kind of on a hold right now. They have to make sure they space them far enough apart. So that appears to be what is happening. And inside that one looks extremely crowded. Those people are probably really hoping they open the door soon. Oh, you know what? This track, I believe, is going to go to the Ticket and Transportation Center. And then this track over here, this is the resort track that we're going to be going on. Thank you. All right, I have made it. I am now on my way to the terrace of Trader Sam's. I feel like I'm home. I think I'm going to get my bottle of water from over here. I'm here at the Polynesian. I love looking at this stuff every time I'm here. We got Minnie and her tiki ware. This is the door to Trader Sam's, but you need to get on a list. But I'm gonna meet my brother out here on the patio, not knowing if they made reservations or not. We'll find out. I made it outside to the outdoor terrace and decided to get this drink, which comes in a white pearl. Sometimes you could get a black pearl, but I got the white one and it was delicious. So you see this boat right there? That is the light up parade that they only do here in this lagoon for the Grand Floridian, the Polynesian, where I'm at now, and then over there, my hotel, Contemporary, and we're waiting for it to start. We saw the lights on a little bit ago, but I think it should start soon, hopefully. So these are the speakers that are pumping through, the ones for the fireworks. I'm gonna go check them out now. This beach here is one of the great places to watch it. I've always wanted to watch the fireworks from here on the beach, and it's a great location. Guess where I am now? So it is now about 10:20 and the Magic Kingdom closes at 11. So I thought, hey, let's go hang out in the Magic Kingdom until they close at 11 since I'm staying on property tonight. So take you all along on some rides. I think we're gonna try maybe a people mover. We'll see. And there is the castle. And look at all the people heading my way. These are all the people leaving for the night. And I am just arriving. So we're gonna try to get on some rides that we normally would have to wait long times for. Maybe Haunted Mansion. I don't think I've ever seen the Haunted Mansion with a spooky number of 13 minutes. I'm sure it's gonna be way faster than that. This is basically a walk-on, not the spooky 13. And this is where we went. Ooh, I've never been in front of the fireplace before. Spooky.
I will lower it for you. And he this morning, the spirit's final arrangements may be made at the end of the day.
We're stuck. We're not moving. And not too far into it either. I'll show you where we're at, right by the library. Yeah, we're not moving. All right, we're moving again. We just finished Haunted Mansion and it is now 10:59. So we're pretty sure no more rides are going to be open, but look how pretty this is at night with very few people around. It's almost like you have the whole park to yourself. I've done this at Epcot, but never here. I have to say, I like it. And we're going to walk through the middle of the castle, which I really haven't done in a really long time. Lots of times I've been here, it's been closed for different shows. But we're going to walk through the middle. It's a beautiful mural. These are most likely the original from the very beginning. And right there, that line right there is where Tinkerbell comes down that line every single night. That is not a job that I would want, and I hope they pay her very well. All right, well, the next time you see me will be in the morning. So good night, and I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. I am sitting out here on the balcony enjoying my Mickey coffee that I made in the Keurig and enjoying my view. I will show you my view. It's the same view as yesterday, but now I'm seeing it from a different perspective. Hold on. So I've been looking out through the little bar here as I'm sitting here in the chair. There's the other chair over there. But yeah, beautiful morning. And last night, there was, in certain areas of the country, the northern lights. I looked here, this is north over here, and I looked out here last night, but there's just too many city lights. We may be too far south, but I was reading that the northern lights might be able to be seen from Georgia and maybe Florida, because it is 5 out of 5 on the strength level. I saw pictures from California where they saw the northern lights in the San Francisco area, and also a friend of mine in Ohio. Beautiful. So when I get home tonight, I'm going to look and see if I can see the northern lights. I would love it if we could this far south. Anyway, so today I am leaving, but before I go, I want to check out the gift shop downstairs. I hear there might be some cool items down there, and I might get a Mickey waffle. So for a quick bite to eat, we came down here to the Contempo Cafe, where I ordered a Mickey waffle and some scrambled eggs. All right, after a nice breakfast, we're now just kind of looking around the gift shop. They have a bunch of Chef Mickey stuff. Oh, they do have some contemporary stuff. That's cool. That's really cool. And the contemporary, oh, that's neat. They brought the retro Mickey shirts back, which is very cool. And sweatshirts. I like the Stitch stuff. I love, love the mug. I do not need any more mugs. Oh, that's cute, breaking through the black. That's really cute. And that is 17. So tempted, but I have so many mugs at home. Well, my 18 hours here at the Contemporary is over. It was a lot of fun. And I have a quick mini haul to show you of what I got down at the gift shop. So I found another pin of the orange bird. You know, I love the orange bird. That's going in my office. And then this shirt was so adorable, I had to get it. Look how cute that is with Stitch. And I love the colors. So that's gonna do it for me. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It was very nostalgic for me being back here since it had been since the 70s, since 73. And I did find out that they built this hotel in October of 1971. So I was here at around the 2-year mark. Well, on that note, thank you for tuning into the Wonderful World of Wendy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next adventure.